Hello there, Audra Slinky here, president of the Home Staging Resource. And here's a quick video showing you a little bit about what the Expert eDesign program is about and how it works easily with AI for free and also trade product so that you make money on everything your client buys. Let me quickly show you. When we first started our Expert eDesign program, we started populating the accounts with design boards that were retail product only because there was no such thing as trade product that could be delivered to residences directly when clients bought. And we also included these gorgeous kind of inspirational images. So not only did your client see all the product that would go in, they could see what it looked like in a space. We thought vision was important. And remember, this is before AI and before trade product. So we curated my design files account with all of these different room boards. Now, if you have a design files account, when you join my Expert eDesign program, you actually, and you sign up for design files, you get all of these boards in your account. So instead of looking at a blank account, you get all of these boards, which are boards that are linked to real product, real sources, real vendors, with all these inspirational images, and you can download them as PDF projects for clients. You can swap out a few items and you can change out the photo. You can edit to your heart's content, but the point is you're not looking at a blank piece of paper. So we started doing that and we put in over 100 of those. But then trade companies came in that would allow you to share product that clients could buy direct, have shipped direct to their house, white glove delivery, and you get money on every product they buy. And that were these trade boards that we started creating. So the trade boards do not have the inspirational images, but they're trade product and trade boards. So we started creating a bunch of these. And we created those in my on-site door account. So we have a lot of them. So here's an example of one collection, and it is the luxury beach house connection. So what we did was we curate all these products. You can see it's a very common four hands Maven outdoor swivel chair. And when you share this collection to your client, they can buy it retail, which is the same price they get anywhere. You can actually even give them a coupon and you make the difference. So this entire collection, if they wanted this entire room in their space, they would, it's just a couch, accessories, some pillows. There's not really a lot in this space. It would cost them not quite 20,000, 19,000, and you would make $4,500 on that product. So it's that simple. That's what's so wonderful about now trade product being able to be delivered direct to clients' residences, where in the past they would never do that. Now, what's really awesome about this, my Expert eDesign training, is that whatever collection I create in my side door account, I can share with you so that at a click of a link, you get this entire collection with the imagery, but it's your links. So you're making money on the product, not me. So you're not having to curate these collections yourself. You're literally just copying mine to your account. And then you also get them in your design files account. So we created it into side door so that you have the collection that they buy off of. That's where all these links go to, is yours. And then you have the images and the gorgeous mood board, because I think the mood board's important, because the mood board is a gorgeous look. Now here's where AI kicks it up a bit, because even when we started creating these as of a couple years ago, uh, 2 years or a year and a half ago, there was an AI for this, and AI has gotten better and better and better. And now you can subscribe. There's a lot of interior design AI programs, but let me show you how I would do it. So especially if you're one of my Expert eDesigners, you already have access to all of this imagery. Basically, here's an example. I took the beach house board and I took it in free Chatgpt. You can just Google chatgpt.com, create an account, it's free. And I said, can you take the furnishings from this mood board, place it inside a luxury beach house living room so that my clients can see what this looks like in a beach house? This is what Chatgpt came up with. And I know you could prompt this way better, you guys, but this is how easy it is to not only showcase This is a presentation with your client, but also download this image and then upload it to your Expert eDesign account, the design files, I should say, and show them, hey client, this is what it looks like in a room space. Look how gorgeous that is. Now I next leveled it in ChatGPT because I thought I took a different one of our room boards and I said the same thing. Can you take it, put it in a real living room? There it did. Looks good. And then I said, hey, can you change the paint color? There it goes, changes the paint color. And then I said, here's my client's empty room. Can you take those furnishings and put it in my client's empty space? And that's what it did. At the click of a button, you guys, I didn't move anything. I didn't have to do anything. Do you think this gives your client a good enough idea? I thought, oh gosh, the navy kind of carried over. So then my next prompt was, can you remove the navy and then move the art over the fireplace? And then it did. So do you think this gives your clients a good enough idea of what it would look like in their space, especially if you had their living room space set up? Absolutely. So this is just a start. So if you are in my Expert eDesign program, you have all this 100 plus boards, 125 plus images that you can take and have fun with ChatGPT in spaces, in rooms. I I challenge you to do this because that's the beauty of it. You also have all of my trade boards in your Sidor account, so you can create your own. You can copy that trade duplicate because even let's say this, let's go to that beach house. This beach house, you could literally copy this collection, swap out the art and some of the accessories and make it just a transitional room. Like this is the beauty of these. It's very easy. It's very easy to shop it. And that's the beauty of having these boards as starting points for you to work with. When you join the Expert eDesign program, and I know there's a lot of eDesign training out there, but no eDesign training actually gives you all of these mood boards with the direct product links that goes to real products that actually you can have clients shop trade where you're making money on every product. And that is a beautiful thing about simplifying your business and your design services. So if you have not taken my free How to Make Money Doing eDesign training, I recommend you do. I'll have a link below. It's a great training and it walks you through how, if you're just wanting to get started in design, I walk you through how to keep it really simple with just simple packages. If you're a designer and you want to go concept only design, I walk you through how to create these and you also get them. There's so many different ways that you can take this in your business. So hopefully you've had fun. Go ahead, have fun with the AI, and I will see you in the next training video.